Какая-то хуйня летит. Дрон.
Overnight, Ukrainian forces successfully struck the Lukoil refinery in Volgograd, Russia. At least one drone hit the complex, reportedly setting the ELOU AVT-1 refining unit ablaze.
Какая-то хуйня летит. Дрон.
The 110th Mechanized Brigade reports that a Su-25 was taken down in the Donetsk region. It looks like U.S. aid is starting to appear on the battlefield just in time. The famous drone operator Baba Yaga is continuing with its destruction path in the Kherson region. Main victims are Russian tanks and IFVs. Convicted Ukrainians who will be mobilized into the army will serve in special units. However, the decision on mobilization will depend not only on the prisoner spokesman of the Ministry of Defense, Dmytro Lazutkin, reports. The decision to mobilize a particular convict will depend not only on his personal desire and the nature of the crime, but also on the conclusion of the Criminal Investigation Department, the court's decision, and the willingness of the commander to accept such a person for service in his unit, he said. Lazutkin clarified that not all convicts can be mobilized into the army due to certain restrictions. These restrictions apply to individuals who have been convicted of crimes including those against Ukraine's national security, intentional killing of multiple individuals, crimes against sexual freedom, terrorism-related offenses, fatal drunk driving incidents, murder or attempted murder of law enforcement or military personnel, and severe corruption crimes. Video of a Ukrainian FPV strike on a Russian Zala UAV team. Why is no one criticizing the brainwashing of African kids by Russia? It is pure neo-colonialism. Russian forces have once again struck a forward helicopter landing and resupply site operated by the Ukrainian armed forces in the Zaporizhzhia region, this time utilizing a 9K-720 Iskander-M short-range ballistic missile, with the strike appearing to cause the total destruction of one Mi-8 HIP transport strike helicopter, one Mi-24 Hind attack helicopter, one fuel truck, and at least 12 Ukrainian service members. 2 other Mi-24s and a fuel truck can also be seen in the field adjacent to where the missile impacted, with them also possibly suffering damage. Death cult. We are exaggerating the meaning of life. Russian propagandists are preparing for the next wave of suicidal meat assaults. It is totally okay to commit suicide on the battlefield if one is wounded.
Я, насколько понимаю, что мы преувеличиваем значение смерти. Сейчас мне кто-нибудь может сказать, что Сергей, да хватит, ты сидишь в студии, а там ребята в окопах, а я настаиваю на этом. Мы преувеличиваем значение жизни. И все на этом, и точка. И все это богословие, которое вот мы сейчас приняли решение, мы напишем катехизис воина. Потому что парням надо объяснить, что когда он лежит и ждет прилета впевдрона, то пусть стрельнет в себя, пусть не ждет, чтобы он был инвалидом. Это в лучшем случае. А в худшем мучительная смерть. Зачем? А бояться почему? Потому что пацанам не объяснили, что это не суицид. А это не суицид. Христос тоже мог не идти на крест. Это жертва. Высший забыла жертву, отдать свою жизнь за други своя, за страну, за наш народ, за Бога, за церковь. И поэтому это все надо написать и объяснить.
Forget Eurovision. Look at these beautiful people fighting for their freedom. World, are you still watching? Tonight might have just been the biggest gathering of Georgians marching in Tbilisi against the Russian violations and law infiltrating the Georgian government. Please watch, share, stand with the brave people of Georgia. Incredible pictures coming from Tbilisi. This is the Europe Square.
Ევროპის მოედანზე ზევიდან გაფერის ვახტანგ გორგასალი აქ ხალხა ჩვენი წმინდა პატრიარქი აბოსი ხერაია დამადინებული ბოლშევიკის ჩვენ გამოვლენილ დემონსტრაცია ჩვენ თავანგრიელთან და ჩვენ დავაგდით რომის
The protest held estimated 500,000 people in a country of 3.7 million.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.